We may have just found the golden goose when it comes to AI video creation. If you're doing faceless content, or if you want to start doing faceless content, or even just upscale with AI video, this is going to be awesome. Let me put my little octopus down over here and we'll talk about it, okay? So a few years ago, there was a piece of software which was called Vidnami. Many of you may remember it. It was this one over here. Now, sadly, that got bought out by a company called GoDaddy, and there's been nothing like it, in my opinion, in the marketplace, because this software was epic. It really was. Now, in the wake of it going away, many other people came out and started, offering their services. So, for example, I'll share with you I've tried that. I've literally tried them all. I have tried InVideo AI, I've tried Veed, I've tried Pictory, and many more. Okay, where they've all fallen down is they've just not been like the sort of complete solution for video creation. And hopefully, what I'm going to share with you today will be the answer for many of you. And I'll share with you some results from using the software, and I'll show you exactly how it works. Okay, but if we go over here and we type in Vidnami alternative, you will see more stuff like this. Okay, Veed, Pictory, loads more. Okay, and I've tried them. I've got accounts with Pictory and I've got accounts with InVideo, but this one, Syllaby, blows them out the water. So let's dive in and I'll show you everything you need to know. Okay, so we're over in Syllaby and this is exactly how it looks. I'm going to walk you through the process. I'll share with you my creation process of how I go about doing this, and I'll show you the end product because it's awesome. Okay, so this is it on the inside. On the left hand side, you've got all your different categories. Straightforward and simple. We've got the dashboard. This is where you'll be spending most of your time creating your content. So faceless videos over here, and if you scroll down, you've got examples. Come further down here, you've got video explainers, okay? And if you want to see more, simply click on view all and it'll go through these for you, okay? How to connect to social media, loads of other stuff. So that's that part. Over here, we've got discover ideas. So if you're stuck for different ideas or you want some inspiration, you can come in here. And this will basically, it'll give you new ideas from Google, Trends, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Bing, and TikTok. All you do is you type in a keyword over here, click on discover ideas, and it will give you some ideas. And you can see down here, it shows you what other users within Syllaby are actually currently searching for. So you've got all of these different categories, and you can come down here. So in this example, it's gone for media and entertainment. It'll show you the questions and the keywords, the monthly search volume, the current trend, and then your competition. Don't worry about CPC. This is basically about running paid ads and stuff. Okay, so we don't need to worry about that. So you've got discover ideas. You can clone yourself. Not something I've done at this moment in time. Then over here, we've got the video editor. Come out of there. Click on OK. We've got bulk scheduler, publish, and my videos. And then you can also schedule this. You can go through the calendar feature, and you can also connect your social media accounts. So basically, you can create the content in here and then connect it to your social accounts, and then you can just schedule it on those accounts, okay? But that's all good. Let's look at the actual product, okay? So if we come over here, we'll go to the dashboard, and we're coming over here to the right-hand side, create a video. So if I click on here, I want to create a faceless video. So here we've got loads and loads of different options, okay? You can see action, movie, ancient, fairy tale. These are really good as well, okay? Now, at this moment in time, the one I'm focusing on is this one over here, hyper realism. So I'm going to click on that. Scroll down, language, straightforward and simple. Subtitle, this is obviously what will appear over the top of the video. So the one I've been using is Dynamo, and then we've got different voices. So if I click on here, it will tell you the name. It'll tell you whether they're young or old, where they're from, British, American, Latin, etc., male or female, and then you've got other options on here, okay? But if you want to listen to any of these, you just simply click on the play button, and it will play it. Hopefully you could hear that. So at this moment in time, I've got it on Jeremy, but I'm going to change it. So I'm going to look for a middle-aged English talking person, or AI person, should I say. So I'm going to scroll down here and I'm literally looking for British male middle-aged. Okay, so that's American. Let's go with Daniel. The world is round and the place. That will do. Okay, now video length. I want this 1 to 3 minutes. That's that process done. Nearly done. Scroll down here. You've got a couple of options. You can create, sorry, let me click off there. You can paste in your own script into here. You can have the actual AI assistant help write the script. You can also paste the URL in here and it will create a video from the URL. So if I click on there, you can see, look, enter the URL of a specific blog or article you want to convert into a video, and they even do audio to video. You can record yourself and it'll create it that way, or you can upload. For me, I go ahead and I use a custom script. What custom script am I using? ChatGPT. I'll come over here, I'll show you the process. So I come over here, and basically, look, I have come in here and I've said, look, can you please write me a 1 to 3 minute video script for this video? This is the title of the video, Flash versus Quicksilver. ChatGPT says, yeah, sure. Here it is, opening scene. Puts all of this in. Now, there's one thing what I messed up on in the beginning when I was copying and pasting from here into Syllabi, and that was, you don't want to highlight this because it'll include that in the video. So what I'll do is, I'll literally do this. I copy this like so, right click and copy. I come back over here and I paste that in here like that. Now I'll pause the video and I'll literally just pull all the rest of this from here into Syllabi, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I'm back. I've literally just pasted all of that into there. So once we've done that, all I do then is click on generate video. And that's it, done. So I'll pause the video again and I'll be back once this is finished rendering. I'll show you the finished article, and I'll also share with you how we can overlay music and a few other bits. Okay, so this is the video and it's done. Now we've got a couple of options here. So if we come over to the 3 little dots, we click on there and let me move that up for you. You can see we can view the video, we can edit the images and the subtitles. So if you don't like any part of the video, you can literally just swap it out over in the editor. You can publish it, rename it, etc. Okay, but let me go into the edit video and I'll show you how we can overlay music and some other bits. Okay, so let's come into here. Okay, so down here, this is our really straightforward and simple video editor, and you can move this along to wherever you like in the actual video, okay? So, first of all, I like to go ahead and change some, I like to add some audio, some background music, okay? So for this, you can come in here and you can either upload your own, or you can go through and have a look at some of the stock music. Now for this, I'm going to go with just this one here called Battle of the Dragons. It works the same way as the voices. If you want to hear it, you just simply click on here and you can hear it. So I'm going to click on add, and then that will go along here along the whole of the video, okay? Now you can see that's not lined up. So all I'm going to do here is I'm going to drag that like this over there, and that will start playing from the beginning of the video. The other thing I'm going to do is, you see this bit over here? I'm going to drag that so it matches the actual video, okay? So that's that bit done. Now, over on the right-hand side over here, you can see images that you want to change and mess about with, volume and other bits, okay? So I'm going to click on audio, and I'm going to turn the music all the way down to 20. And then, once I'm happy with this, and I'm going to export this, and then I'll come back and I'll show you the final video. Okay, so let me turn the sound up, and then I'll press on play so you can see a little snippet of this, okay? Because it's awesome. It looks awesome, doesn't it? And literally the whole video, you can see this is it's 2 minutes and 19 seconds, and this is how it literally all looks. I won't keep you here for the whole 2 minutes, but it's brilliant. As you can see, awesome. Now here's the thing. I created one of these videos yesterday. I uploaded it over onto a YouTube channel. Let me show you the numbers, okay? So come over here, and we'll go over here. This is a video I uploaded yesterday. Look, 722 views. 6 hours watch time and 4 subscribers, and it's not even been 24 hours with this. It's brilliant, it really is. So if you want to have a look at this and try it and test it out yourself, it's free. You can try it absolutely for free for 7 days. So I'll put a link to it down below. If you have any questions whatsoever, please let me know. But at this moment in time, really happy with this. What's the plan moving forward? Literally scale it. I'm going to create this channel, finish this channel, and I'll probably outsource it and then move on to a couple more, because so far one of the best video editors using AI. I've found it absolutely blows in video out the water, in my opinion. So yeah, that's today's video. As usual, any comments or questions, please go down below. Take care. I'll see you soon.